What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to reveal to you my top 3 dividend stocks, especially when this huge dip happened with the market. And these are high yield dividend stocks. I absolutely love these stocks. And I'm going to answer one of your questions at the end of this video. I think a lot of you guys have asked about business development companies, so I'm going to answer that question. So if you're new, again, you got to hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these stocks out right now. The first stock I'd like to emphasize, I have bought the stock and posted numerous videos in the stock. This one is still beating the S&P in the past 5 years. Arbor Realty Trust, it's sitting at $16.50. Dividend yield of 9.20. PE ratio 8.48. The volume is 1.87 million US dollars. The market cap is 2.65 billion. Year range is 1611 to 2074, and this day range was 1631 to 1672. So I bought 7 shares of these guys. And again, I have posted a few videos on this mortgage-backed real estate investment trust with a review. So basically, they have done very well. A lot of you guys that are new to this channel, I'm going to reveal to you their revenue and some recent news about them. So let's check this out. So anytime I post videos on hot dividend stocks, I like to reveal to you its revenue, because mortgage-backed real estate investment trusts, you have to be very careful. Some of them are stagnant. Some of them decrease their dividends over time, which is very unattractive. So you have to do a dividend analysis as well as a stock analysis. You can do a little bit of technical analysis, but from a dividend standpoint, I like studying the dividends and the trends. It makes life easier. I always study the revenue, especially for mortgage-backed REITs. So this is in millions US dollars. 2015, 142, 2016, 213, 2017, 346, 2018, 484, 2019, 535, 2020, 603, and 2021, 799. So you're seeing a huge increase in its revenue, which is very attractive. And again, for a mortgage-backed real estate investment trust to beat the S&P in the past 5 years, that's quite impressive. There's one thing that really excites me about these guys. It's recent news. They just made an announcement with their dividend hike. So I'm on their website, and sometimes when you watch my video, you might even see some advertisement with Arbor Realty Trust. But they have been hiking their dividends. Watch this. Let me go all the way down to, let's say, 2012. So right here, it was at 10 cents in August of 2012, then 11 cents, then 12 cents, then 13. It goes up to 13, 2014, 2015, 15 cents, 2016, 16 cents, 2017, 19 cents, 2018, 25 cents. You got a little special dividend squeezing in here on 2018. Then there's 27 cents, then there's 28 cents, then they hit 30 cents in 2019. Then 2020, they're at 30 cents, then 31 cents, and then 32 cents in 2020. So their revenue has been increasing as well as their dividend, even in a very bad time during the pandemic when everything seemed like it was at a standstill. There's a huge dip in the market, but they have been increasing their dividend. So look, right here at 36 cents, they are at 38 cents. So they made the recent news about the dividend hike, and that's what gets me really excited about these guys. And there's so much potential. So that's one stock that I am loading up on. I just bought 7 shares today, and I'm going to continue to buy Arbor Realty Trust. And the symbol is ABR. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. And the next dividend stock I want to go over is Ready Capital Corp. It's sitting at $13.90. It has a dividend yield of 12.09%. PE ratio 6.37, volume 915.11K, market cap 1.59 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1324 to 1678. Its day range is 1370 to 1407. Its previous close was $14. So these guys were in line with the S&P at one point in the past 5 years. Took a huge dip. They're at, gosh, $6, and they're trying to recover. They're just not there to where they want to be. And it's going to take a little bit of time to recover, especially the mortgage-backed real estate investment trust. It's going to take a while for them to recover it, unless if you're like a unicorn stock like Arbor Realty Trust. Let's check these guys out. Like I said before, they occupy a diversified full-servicing lending platform with nationwide reach and local market expertise. Headquartered in New York City, they operate regional offices throughout the U.S. and employ loan professionals that serve all major markets. So here's what they target: small business, CMBS, fixed rate lending, multifamily, bridge financing, and residential. But what excites me even more is their revenue and their dividend history. And financially, they have been making a killing. 2015, 148, 2016, 137, 2017, 138, 2018, 169, 2019, 229, 2020, 258, and then 2021, 403. So even during the pandemic, they stood pretty strong. That's very attractive as a mortgage-backed real estate investment trust. So let's check out a little bit more on these guys. Here's what excites me about these guys. So 2018, they were sitting at 40 cents. They're just stagnant. Pandemic hit, 25 cents, then 30 cents, then 35, then 30. Then they started to rebound, got better. They hit 42 cents. They're sitting at 13.86 with a dividend yield of 12.03%, PE ratio 6.03. Now, again, FFO and AFFO is more important with REITs. And again, 90% of what they make come back to us. So as investors, that's part of the law, or else they get in big trouble. So that's what is unique about a business development company as well as a REIT. So 90% of their income comes back to us as investors. Let's jump to the final dividend stock. And that's Hercules Capital. This is a business development company. HTGC is a symbol. The dividend yield is 8.71%. A PE ratio is 15.96. Volume is 1.39 million. The market cap is 1.88 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1509 to 1909. Day range is 1509 to 1561. Its previous close was 1574. So I'm going to do a review on this one because a lot of you guys probably missed this video, and you've got to hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Check my channel daily with my videos. So I try to get 5 or more a week. Sometimes I can squeeze in 6 or 7 a week. So just keep an eye on my channel. All right, let's check these guys out. Focus on life sciences, technology, SaaS, finance, sustainable and renewable, and special situations. So this is what's really interesting about these guys. Hercules Capital is the largest business development company focused on venture lending and the lender of choice for innovative entrepreneurs and their venture capital partners. So 14.0 billion commitments, 230 plus IPO and MA exits, 570 companies funded, 2.7 billion assets under management, 1,000 co-investments with VC and PE firms, and 615.2 million of new debt and equity commitments. So that's very attractive. And as I went over in my previous video on their website, they have a huge portfolio of a lot of things that they fund. And they like to brag about this right in the front, which I think is really good and transparent about these guys as a company. We'll go over the revenue and the dividend history real quick. The revenue is attractive in these guys. 2015, again, millions US dollars, 157, 175, 190. 2018, 207, 2019, 267, 2020, 287, and 2021, 280. They're seeing a huge increase in revenue from 2015, which is 157, to 2021, 280. Now, what's even more impressive is their dividend history. Okay, this is what makes these guys attractive. 2013, it was sitting at 28 cents. Then it hit 31 cents in 2013. It was stagnant up to 2018. It hit 31 cents, and then the 1st of March, it hit 31 cents, then 2019, 33, then 34, then 35, then it hit 40. Okay, and then the pandemic hit 32 cents, then it hit 34 cents, then it hit 37 cents, then it hit 39 cents in 2021, then it hit 40 cents, and it's now at 48 cents. So it has a dividend yield of 8.2%, a PE ratio of 18.53, an annual dividend of 132, and it's sitting at 15.20. So I'm going to answer now, before I conclude this video, I want to answer one of your questions regarding business development companies. So JP Duval asked, are business development companies' dividends taxed like REIT dividends? So we'll go over that right now. So to answer your question, okay, we'll do BDCs and REITs. So BDC dividends are mostly taxed at ordinary income rates. However, after the year end, a BDC may designate a portion of the prior year's dividends as return of capital, which may be treated as capital gain. Return of capital payouts reduce your cost basis and are not taxable until you sell your shares. when they are taxed at an appropriate capital gains rate. So we're in the long run, you know, we're buy and hold for the long run. That's kind of how we do things as dividends. So we're going to go over REITs. Okay. REIT dividends are mostly taxed in ordinary income tax rates. However, after the year end, a REIT may designate a portion of the prior year's payouts as qualified dividends, which qualify for the maximum 15% rate. On average, roughly 20% of annual payouts fall into this category. A REIT may also classify portions of the prior year's payouts as a return of capital. So MLPs, another thing I'm going to go over. So for income tax purposes, MLPs and LLCs are treated as the same. Both require filing IRS Schedule K1 forms, which are completed in the Form 1040s. They exceed a certain limits. Portions of dividends received from MLPs and LLCs could be considered to unrelated income and be taxable. So there's just some information there. So I really wanted to touch base, and I went on dividenddetective.com to answer your question, JP. So that's kind of what's going on. So you have to just be aware of that. A lot of people capitalize on that with their traditional and or Roth IRA, and they throw a lot of BDCs in that. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Start Dividend. You guys have a good one, and I will post a video tomorrow. Make sure you hit that notification bell since you guys are new subscribers. So, you know, I'm pumping out videos. Check my channel daily. If I have some old videos, check those out as well. So we're almost at 9,000 subscribers strong. You guys have been amazing. So I'll see you guys in the comment section, and let me know what stocks you bought today with the major dip. Take care and have a good one.